Gotta press record. What's going on, boys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. It's good to see you guys. I hope you guys are doing well. Kind of in a hurry today because today we are taking this little beast to the track because A, who doesn't want a track day, and B, I'm gonna fill it up with E85 to see if that makes a difference in my lap times at all. But before I go, I need to install something that I bought for this, and I need to get this out of the way. So I have recruited Muscles McGee over here to help me move this thing. Let's do that so I can get this in here, get the new part installed, and get on the road. All right, so this is what I'm installing in this today. And if you go to the track, you're probably gonna want one of these. All right, so here's what we have, guys. 2-pound fire extinguisher with a VAC mount. And this mount apparently mounts to the front of the seat studs where the seat mounts into the floor. So apparently all you have to do is mount this through the studs of the frame or of the seat rail, and then you can attach the fire extinguisher to this. And you know, I've gone to the track a few times, actually a lot of times, and it's just something good to have. You never know when something random's gonna happen. Even though this car is stock, for the most part, well, I say stock, even though the motor's stock, I'm not running like high horsepower or big boost or anything like that, it's still good to have just in case. Let me see what this is all about. All right, so like I was saying, this will just mount or sandwich under the seat rails, and then you will mount the fire extinguisher right there. So let me grab the tools to take those off, and we'll get this thing mounted. Should be easy. All right, boys, a little bit of an update here. So I had to drill out the mounting holes for this VAC bracket. I think this bracket is made to be used without carpet, first off. And second off, my frame rail, I don't know if you can see that, has kind of that stepped, I don't even know what it would be called, but, and that's why I had to drill these out. But this still isn't big enough for this to fit inside of, so when I put this down, the stud doesn't go all the way through when this is being sandwiched in between them. So I still need to drill this out even further. So that's what I'm working on now. Bam! We got, what is that? It's a speck of dirt. Nope. We got it, boys. Altogether, it really wasn't that bad of an install. It's just those holes. And I don't know if it's the seat rails that I used for, I mean, these are standard E36 seat rails from what I was told when I bought the seats. I don't know what that is, but from what I know, these are standard rails, so the fire extinguisher mount should have worked fine, but yeah, it just needed, those mounting holes needed to be bored out a little bit to fit the little step lip that the seat rails had. Not a big deal. I drilled it out a little bit and then used a Dremel to just Dremel it out, smooth it out, and then yeah, mounted it up and everything fit perfect. So here it is. Looks great. It's functional. That's all that matters, really. So got it in there. Bad news, we missed the track day. So the track day came and went. I wasn't able to get to it. So what I'm gonna do is go put E85 in this and then come home and wash it, and probably head out for that tomorrow. Boys, where there's a will, there's a way. And we found our way out to the driveway to get a practice session in. So right now I have about E35 for ethanol content. So I'm really curious to see if that makes a difference in my time. And then also, I kind of haven't been out here for a while, so I may be rusty. So it may take me a while to get up to speed, but we made it out here with a little bit of time left. So I'm gonna get all my setup going and yeah, get out there ASAP. So I'll catch you guys in a second. All right, boys, we're going out. I gotta get warmed up too. It's been a minute. What? Good. Man, it's been more than a minute. It's been like probably a month since I've been out here. Got to get warmed back up. Get my tires warmed up. My brakes warmed up. Wide there. Maintenance, let off, rotate the back end, push. Woo, a little hot there. Have a little hot back insert come around. All right. was a quick one. So I can only do one session, which is fine. They have other stuff to do, so I completely understand. Oh, it's hard to adjust your seat when you're moving. But you know what? I'm gonna attribute, there are a couple things. I don't want to give excuses, that's stupid. I was just rusty and slow today. The front end was pushing a little bit, and I came in to check the tire pressure, and it was a little bit higher than I wanted. It was about 33. Normally I like to run at 32, but it was pushing, which kind of, it just felt loose. I don't know if it's the tires or what. I need to rotate them. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go home, rotate the tires, come back out, make sure I have the right tire pressure, and hopefully improve. The car didn't feel any faster because of E85, and you know what? That's to be expected. We tried to tune for it. It didn't make any horsepower difference, so there's no reason to think it would have made any difference on the track. Yeah, I mean, for the most part, it was just good to get back out there, though. Good to get back out on track. Now I need to get this. There's a few more things I want to do to it, and then I need to get the S2000 ready. Need to get the motor taken out, and then I have an update coming for you guys on the motor that's going into that thing. So if you're new to the channel, guys, smash that subscribe. I appreciate you guys watching. If you like track videos, smash the thumbs up. It helps me a lot, and I would appreciate it. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.